Which of your current holdings, Kathy, do you think will supply the biggest lift in the next 5 years?
Tesla's still in the running, but I would have to say the biggest upside surprises are going to come from the genomic space. And that's because the convergence of DNA sequencing, artificial intelligence, and gene therapies, importantly, CRISPR gene editing, are going to cure disease. That convergence is going to cure disease. Now we have real science and technology surfacing the mutations in our genomic profile. And as they surface those mutations, what do we see? We see the earliest manifestations of disease. And now, with the combination of artificial intelligence and gene editing, we're able to both anticipate diseases and cure them potentially. Beta thalassemia, we're seeing it, sickle cell disease. We even think it will work in diabetes, which is where most if you look at the largest category of spending year to year in healthcare, it's diabetes.
Blackrue investing with you guys here. You heard it yourself from Kathy Wood. Genomic stocks are the next wave. And if you look at it here, if you can really imagine, what if you were blind and I told you we could 3D print you new corneas to make you see? By the way, corneas that were made from your own cells that your body was less likely to reject. What if I told you that we could genetically delete cancer from your gene pool, thereby ending your own bout with the disease and ending it for any children you would have with someone? What if I told you a need for an organ donor list would actually be gotten rid of because of 3D printing organs like kidneys and livers? Now, that's possible due to these genomic stocks that Kathy Wood was talking about in the video. And the leaders here are CRISPR, who does short reading DNA sequencing, PacB, who does the Pacific Bio, who are the leaders in the long reading DNA sequencing, and Illumina, who are leaders in the software and kits to analyze the sequencing. Now, you got these companies, and they're pretty high, other than PacBell. They're high at 180 and 376. I was looking at the ARC portfolio, and the guys that I want to kind of look at are Inovio, who's at like 17 or 16. They do the 3D printing of organs. Imagine the possibilities here. Like I said, no donor list. And let's just pull up their website. And as you can see, they 3D print it. Our bioprinting technology has been used to create a spectrum of tissues: healthy liver, kidney, intestine, vascular, bone, skeletal muscle, eye, breast, and pancreatic tumor. So, and I was watching a couple videos where they 3D printed a kidney for a little girl in Ireland. I was watching a video where they 3D printed an ear for a little girl. So technology's out there, and they're getting to the point where they can actually use it on humans. Get in on the ground floor. Why don't you, right? And then we have Evogen, EVGN. Now, this company uses microbiomes and CBP, computational predictive biology, to fight cancer. Now, you can think of the CPB as like Palantir. You know how Palantir grabs all the data on the net, and supposedly they used all the data on the net and actually found exactly where bin Laden was. This is the same thing. Like, you're going to use all the data in your biology to find exactly where the cancer is, fight it, and kill it. So these are the stocks that I'm looking at this morning, and this is the next wave that I'm personally looking for in 2021. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.